Namaskar, friends. Health and immunity is dependent on four pillars. Let's look at this stool. If you want the stool to be stable, what is required? All the four legs should be of the same height, and also all the four legs should be equal strength. Then the third point is the stool should be on a plain ground. If it is an uneven ground, a good stool also will be unstable. So stability is very important. If the stool is stable, you can sit, you can stand, you can even dance also. So let's look at what are the four pillars for the health. One is the gut health, friends. What is gut health? Whatever you eat, you should be able to digest it well. You should be able to absorb all the nutrients and you should be able to remove the waste. And then toxicity and nutrition. Suppose you're eating junk food, high carb foods, there are toxins in the body. Nutrition. Are you eating the right food like fruits, nuts, and then salads and all that? It all depends. So your gut health depends on these two parameters, two issues. Next is insulin resistance, the second leg. What is second leg, friend? Number of blood glucose spikes in a day. Suppose you're eating three times a day. That means what? Three times your blood sugar is spiking. Suppose you're remember, friends, other than water is food, which require digestion, and then it will spike the sugar. Suppose you're eating only three times, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but you take coffee at 10 o'clock and then around 4 o'clock a coffee tea and again some snacks. So what happens? You're eating six times. So in a day there are six spikes. So friends, spikes are 6 days, six spikes in a day doesn't have nothing happens in one day, 1 week, 10 days, a month or a few months. But over the years, the habit of eating multiple times, breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, tea, snacks. So everybody is eating 5 to 6 times a day. So there are multiple times, 6 to 7 times glucose spikes. What is the next one? So what level the sugar is going up? It depends on the type of food you take. Suppose you take high carb, refined foods like bakery, cool drinks, and ice creams, and maida items and all. What happens? The sugar spikes are very steep. Say when you are not eating the food, the sugar levels are generally between 70 to 99. If you eat the food after 2 hours, when you check your sugar, it will be below 120. But what can happen? Many times after 2 hours, sugar may come down, but the initial spike within half an hour, it may jump to 300. But a healthy person will have the glucose levels under control for many, many years. What is the third one? The exercise and sleep. Friends, you have so many joints in the body. So you require a physical exercise. A 1 hour physical exercise is a must. And similarly, you must give rest to your body. 7 hours night sleep is non-negotiable. That is the third leg. What is the fourth leg, friends? These are the three common for humans and animals. Human being has mind management. If it doesn't know how to manage your mind, this can lead to psychosomatic diseases. So, friends, all this, what does it do? So, your sugar levels maintaining is very important. There are seven essentials for good health, friend. There are five elements in the body. What are the elements? Space element, air element, fire element, water element, earth element. These are to be managed by our seven essentials per day. That's what we call dinacharya. What you go into your system by way of mouth and nose, and what gets out of it you from your way of urine or stools or sweat is chemical part of it. Air, water, food, and excretion. Structural, we looked at exercise, emotional, rest, and mind management. So by doing these seven essentials appropriately, you'll be able to manage your five elements, friends. So friends, look at fasting blood glucose should be below 99, 70 to 99. PP blood glucose or eating after 2 hours should be below 120. This is an ideal parameter. Remember, friends, for many, many years and few decades, the human body is so well designed, despite we are doing so many mistakes of eating high carb food for many years also, this will be maintained. Many times their HbA1c levels are below 5.6%. That means not diabetic levels. The problem is, friends, the insulin. The sugars are maintained by the insulin only. The fasting insulin level should be 3 to 6. PP insulin after 2 hours should come back to 30. But what happens? By all our wrong habit, 10 daily wrong habits over the years, fasting insulin will be above 7, maybe 10, 20, 15, 20, all that. PP insulin also will be very high, around 60, 70 and all that. So that's how we get into insulin resistance, friends. Friends, there's a few people who have benefited by following this 30 wellness secrets, this three-step approach. And my name is Gangeswara. I'm not a doctor. I've improved my health substantially in about 4 months. Way back in 2014, I got rid of my medicine. Um, every human is like a Kohinoor friend. What suits one person may not suit the other person. Knowledge and discipline are the gateways to your health span. What you need is right knowledge, friends. Please invest time to learn more about this 30 wellness secrets, three-step approach. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. My mobile number is 9840852996. Thank you very much for listening, friends. Pay attention. It is necessary that you have to acquire the right knowledge, and with the right discipline, you can improve your health substantially, friends. Thank you very much.